Good morning, friends. Let's understand my plans for trading Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So Nifty today looks like it is going to open gap up, and if so, it will have good resistance at 25,435. So yesterday's high and day before yesterday's printed high. So both of them are at the same place. So this place can be expected to give very good resistance. And if Bank Nifty opens above this level of 25,500, then there's a good chance that it will see a pullback to this level. And if it takes support here, then we can look for a positive candlestick here and then go long for 25,495 and 25,565, 570 targets. On the downside, 25,335 will offer very good support, which is close to yesterday's low and day before's key action areas. And if it doesn't sustain there, it can fall down to 25,280 and 25,180. But most likely, if it comes down, it can take support here and make a triple bottom and then move up to 25,440, 25,490 and 25,570. So that's about Nifty. Outlook remains positive and we look for trading positive candlesticks. Bank Nifty, as I mentioned in the weekly video, is looking very bullish, and it was showing signs yesterday also. So Bank Nifty will have very good resistance at 52,287, and crossing that, it can go to 52,424 and 52,627. On the downside, 52,000 level will act as a very good support, 52,000 to 52,25,025, and failing to hold, which then Bank Nifty can correct 51,874 and 51,656. Most likely the trend is going to be positive today, and we can expect Bank Nifty to knock off upper targets one by one. So that's my trading strategy for today. I hope these videos are useful. Please do like, subscribe and share so that this reaches maximum number of people. A quality education at zero price. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the live stream today.